friends, my husband and I travel a lot through Europe, and we've started this channel to share everything we learned during our trips. One of our goals is to teach you how to ride public transportation as a tourist in Europe, so you can move around efficiently and save money during your travels. We've already published public transportation guides for Barcelona, Paris, Rome, Bologna and Lisbon, and today we're covering beautiful Prague. Let me start by saying we loved our trip to the Czech Republic. In this video, I'll show you how to buy and validate your ticket in Prague and how to navigate this stunning city by bus, tram and metro. Public transportation in Prague is safe, cheap, efficient and very tourist-friendly. Most attractions in Prague can be reached by metro, trams and buses, so you can save a lot of money by booking a more affordable hotel outside the city center and riding public transportation downtown. That's what we did. As long as you're close to a metro, bus or tram station, you'll reach Prague's top attractions in 20 minutes. Now let's talk about passes. In Prague, you don't pay per ride, but per duration. So if you buy a ticket for 90 minutes, you can change as many public transportation means as you want until your ticket expires. Here are your options and how much they cost. We spent 3.5 days in Prague, so we chose the 3-day ticket, but you get the one that's best for you. If you spend a week in Prague, it's worth buying the monthly pass. And if you get it through the Litacka app, you will also have discounts to some attractions like the Petrin Tower. Please don't ride public transportation without the pass, because inspectors will fine you. Unless you are over 65 years old. Then you can travel for free, provided you have an ID to prove your age. And if you're over 60, you only pay half the price. There are more discounts available. I'm adding the link to the official website in the description, so you can check if any of them apply to you. You can buy your public transportation pass at these ticket machines available at the metro stations and some bus or tram stops. These passes must be validated one time. At ticket offices and information centers. These tickets also have to be validated once. At these small contactless payment machines available in the stations and also inside buses and trams. These tickets don't need to be validated. Through the Litacka mobile app. These tickets must be activated in the app. I chose the easiest way, and that was buying my pass from this machine. Here's how fast it was. This pass has to be validated just once, and that's also very simple. That's it! After this, we kept our tickets in our wallets and navigated Prague by all public transportation means for 3 full days. You will find these validating machines at the metro stations and inside buses and trams. If you decide to get your pass through the Litacka app, here's how you buy and activate it. A few notes about the Litacka app. If you don't have a stable internet connection on your phone, avoid buying tickets through the app because you will need mobile data to show your ticket to inspectors. As I've already mentioned, if you get a monthly pass through the Litacka app, you will be entitled to discounted admission tickets to attractions like Petrin Tower, Lesser Town Bridge Tower and more. This option is worth considering if you're spending a week or more in Prague. The tickets purchased through the Litacka app become valid 2 minutes after their activation. During these 2 minutes, the ticket is active, but it isn't valid yet, and if you get inspected, you will be fined. So validate your pass at least 2 minutes before getting on the metro or the bus. Now that you bought and validated your ticket, let's find the best route to your destination. To get around Prague, we use Google Maps. You write your destination here, choose the option via public transportation, and see your routes here. In Prague, metro stations are marked by this symbol. The background color shows the metro line you can access at this entrance. In each station there are 2 platforms as the metro travels both ways. The direction on your platform should match the one on Google Maps. Inside the train above the door, you will see the stops with little drawings of the attractions you can visit nearby. So you can follow your stops on Google Maps or just get off at the station near the attraction you want to visit. Don't worry, the stops are announced inside the train and are also written on this little screen. If you ride the escalator on your way in or out of the metro station, make sure you stay on the right so people who want to go faster can pass you on the left. Use Google Maps to find your station and look at these boards to make sure you're going the right way. In some bus stations, drivers don't stop unless signaled, so make sure you wave when you see your bus approaching. You can follow the stops on your route on Google Maps or follow these screens. And when you want to get off, press this button inside to let the driver know you're getting off at the following stop. Here are a few additional things you should know. Small carry-on luggage travels for free on the metro, buses and trams. However, if you're carrying larger luggage, you will have to pay 20 crowns unless you get a ticket that is valid for at least 24 hours. Then your luggage is free. In the description, you will find some more info about traveling with dogs, strollers and bikes on Prague's public transportation. The ride with the funicular is included in the daily tickets, but not in the ones that are valid for 30 and 90 minutes. If you buy it separately, one ride on the funicular costs 60 crowns. As you can see, the 24 and 72-hour tickets are a good deal because they save you money, you only buy and validate them once, and they include the luggage and the ride with the funicular. Public transportation works until midnight, and after that there are night lines available that have the same fares and tickets. Uber and Bolt are also available in Prague, and they work with the same app you usually use at home. You can travel from and to the Prague airport by public transportation. Here are the lines you can take. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more traveling tips and tricks. We've got a full guide about Prague coming up, and we're already working on our guide about public transportation in Budapest, so make sure you keep in touch. Enjoy your trip!